Well, hello friends. Have you heard about the surge bulb that comes on in a power outage? Well, you may ask yourself, why would you need something like this? Well, let me just tell you, when the US is hit with hurricanes, blizzards and storms, that's the first thing that goes. I have lived through a devastating hurricane on Eleuthera Island in the Bahamas, where the roof was literally coming off. And the first thing that went was the power, and it was off for an entire week before somebody could restore it. The surge emergency backup light is self-charging and provides 6 hours of that emergency light that you need. It's an LED and uses 80% less energy, and so that makes it energy efficient. So I know your next question, what is the lifespan of the bulb? Well, it's 25,000 hours. Now it operates with a standard light switch, and it's comparable to a 60-watt incandescent light bulb. The surge bulb lights up in 3 ways, using a normal light socket, the hanging hook that comes inside the package, or you could light the bulb by hand. Just think how you could use this in some fantastic magic tricks for school projects. Now the uses of a bulb like this are just endless. Think of taking this camping, think of working on your car with this, think of the garage or the shed or going fishing. I mean, it's just endless. Now at the low cost that Surge is selling their emergency bulb lights for, this is a fantastic low-cost source of light. And you know what? The reviews really speak for themselves. Over 600,000 positive reviews. Guys, go check out more information about this fantastic product. I highly recommend it.